Good evening, everyone. We are at the third edition of the Machinist Super Shop Floor Awards, and Mr. Rajesh Nath is with us from VDMA. Sir, how do you look at the award platform like this from the perspective of manufacturing industry?
I think it's a very good initiative, and it would surely help to encourage manufacturing as well as the people who are involved in the manufacturing. It's a good initiative where companies who are making special efforts, be it sustainability, energy, resourceful, as well as safety in manufacturing, I think these companies would then be highlighted, and it is a good step towards showing admiration for such companies.
You especially represent the German association. So, how will such platform will help to attract more and more foreign companies come to the country?
Yes, I think it will again be a good possibility for the foreign companies when such a award or an event is there, which helps to recognize the good work they are doing. I think I do not know how many German companies have participated this time, but since I'm coming here, I would surely like to spread the message to the German companies operating in India. Maybe for next time, they could look at the possibility of participation here. And I'm sure we'll have more German companies participating next time in the award ceremony also. Yeah.
And since Indian companies are now going abroad, so do you think the competency level of the manufacturing industry in India has increased over the period of last few years?
Yeah. Surely, if we look at the last, say, 10 to 15 years, I think the Indian companies have also enhanced their productivity, the production, no doubt, as well as technology, and basically also the quality aspect. These have been very good improvements from the Indian companies, and we find more and more Indian companies now participating in exhibitions overseas. And this is a good sign because it exposes them also to international market, and they also get to know what are the requirements in an international market. So I think it's a good step the Indian companies are taking, and I sincerely wish the Indian industry further success in the export market also.
Thank you so much for talking to us, and have a pleasant evening.